Hello and welcome to another video with me. I am Niamh. Today we are looking at pronunciation, specifically the suffix TION, okay? TION. So my name is Niamh McGarrell. I am the English coach at Inglese Vincente, and my goal is to show you the real English, the English that you cannot find in an average textbook, okay? You simply cannot find it. That you cannot find with a normal teacher in a normal course. So what I want to show you is the real English, like pronunciation, little techniques that you can use to develop your pronunciation. It doesn't matter if you have struggled with pronunciation in the past. That is okay, because with my techniques that I will show you, these little tricks help not just for one word, but for 10, 20, 30, 50 different words, because we are looking at a suffix here, okay? So today the suffix TION. This suffix is used to change a verb into a noun, okay? A verb to a noun. For example, to motivate is the verb. Motivation, noun, with the suffix TION. Listen to the sound. Ready? Motivation. Okay. Number 2, the verb to pronounce. The noun, pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay. So, how do we pronounce this sound in English? The sound is shun, shun, shun. It's not TION or TION, shun. For example, motivation, motivation. Number 2 here, okay, this one. Pronunciation. Number 3, satisfaction. Satisfaction. Number 4, attention. Attention. So let's give it a try now, okay? Motivation. Pronunciation. Satisfaction. Attention. Okay, so that suffix we pronounce as shun. It is a suffix that we use all the time in English. Motivation, pronunciation, satisfaction, attention. That's 4 examples. There are so many. So if you know how to pronounce this correctly, if you use this technique, not only do you help yourself once, but you help yourself every time you pronounce, you say a word with this suffix, okay? So this is one example of a pronunciation error in English. But of course, this is a very short video with just some tips. But if you want to master pronunciation, you want to have that ability, well, you are in the right place. You need to click the link in the description. It's very easy. Click the link in the description to get access to our master pack, where you will have a lot of modules, one of which is a module on pronunciation. So it's absolutely perfect for you. So the link is in the description to get access to our master pack, and you can get access from today. I will see you tomorrow in our next video. Bye bye.